Hey, what's up guys? This is Ryan and welcome to Foodiligence, the place where I eat the food so you don't have to, but in some cases you might want to. Today we're trying authentic Chicago style deep dish pizza, and it has always been one of my dreams to go to Chicago and compare Pizzeria Uno and Gino's Pizza and just see who has the best deep dish pizza. Today I'm doing the next best thing. I'm going to Arlington, Texas and trying Gino's Pizza East, which is just an extension of Gino's Pizza in Chicago, so I understand that it's not the original, but I'm still very excited to get into the world of deep dish pizza. I was born and raised in Ohio, so it's right in the middle between New York and Chicago, so I've never really gotten too much in a thin crust or deep dish. We've always had this like medium crust just because of the influences on both sides. So I'm excited to dip my toes in the world of deep dish and just be ready for when I go to Chicago and try the real deal. But this is still gonna be some amazing pizza and I'm really excited to try it, so let's get some pizza. So the decision to go to Gino's Pizza in Arlington was kind of a last minute thing. We had to go to Dallas to get some work done, so while we were there, we decided to stop at Gino's Pizza and get some deep dish pizza, and as luck would have it, we walk in and there's just this beautiful card sitting on a table that says half off large deep dish pizzas. This was not planned, it just happened to be the most ideal situation. So we sit down, we got to order two deep dish pizzas. I ended up getting the Meaty Legend deep dish pizza. It has pepperoni, sausage, ham, not ham, Canadian bacon, I'm sorry, and regular bacon. And then we also got a barbecue chicken pizza. Both of those together came to $28, whereas if I showed up not at happy hour, it would be like $60 worth of pizza. I got double the deep dish for the same price, and it wasn't even on purpose. I just showed up and got a free pizza basically. So since we had double the pizza, we didn't eat all the pizza, so we ended up taking about an entire pizza home with us, just a combination of the two. And when I got home, I weighed it. The pizza weighed almost 4 pounds. That's a lot of pizza. So I wasn't able to find any nutrition facts directly on Gino's Pizza's website, but I went on MyFitnessPal to track it, and one slice of pizza was coming in at 420 calories with 21 grams of fat, 38 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. And this makes sense because a lot of cheese on this pizza, so that's gonna give you all your fat right there. A lot of meat on this pizza, so that's gonna give you all your protein right there, and then you have the nice thick, crunchy crust, and that is where your carbs come from. Kind of expecting them to be way more calories, but still a lot of calories per slice of food, and then you're gonna eat about 2 to 3 slices, so you're looking in 800 to 1,200 calories. That was some amazing pizza. It really fires me up about how good it could be like in Chicago. Like how much better can a piece of pizza get than that? Like it was amazing. Like I'm almost at a loss for words here, but I really enjoyed the pizza. I love the deep dish. I always told myself growing up that I would always pick up a piece of pizza no matter what, and this is the first pizza that I've had to actually use a fork and a knife, at least for the first half, until I had some rigidity to it and I could actually pick it up. Overall, I'd give this an 8 out of 10. It was an amazing piece of pizza. I got it for an amazing value, but I still know that there's so much higher that it can be. Excellent cheese pull, great amount of toppings, just immaculately dense with a good crust to topping ratio. It had everything you would ever want, but I know there's just a little bit more that you can get out of a piece of pizza. So it was amazing, and I regret nothing about the trip and going there. It was an amazing experience, and I just can't wait to eat some more pizza. My name's Ryan, you've been watching Foodiligence. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to be notified of the weekly uploads. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, helps me, helps the channel grow, and just thank you so much for watching. Please leave in the comments where is the best pizza you've ever had. I'd be interested in checking it out. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.